Welcome to Module 5 of Inside Mega Events, and we're today in Spartan Stadium. It was built in 1923 and expanded to hold now approximately 75,000 people. Now the theme of today is legacy. Legacy per se, you can define as impacts, be it short-term or long-term, tangible or intangible. To be more precise, examples are venues that remain after the event. It could be memories that sustain after the event. So basically this module is to think about what are the legacies that will stem from Sochi and what are legacies that stem from mega events. Basically, when I mentioned the stadium here, I'll give a positive and negative example. The Spartan Stadium is now about 90 years old and is continuously used. And one of the signs of a good, valuable legacy is the continuous usage of the facilities after the event. Now, a counter example would be the stadium for the Atlanta 1996 games, which is now, after only 20 years of use, being torn down because it's not being used anymore. How do you create a legacy? Basically, mega event owners put up requirements for infrastructure, be it venues, be it transportation, be it anything that drives the event that is necessary for a world-class image to be produced for the global stage. Now, there is a conflict of interest between the host, who rather looks into legacy issues, and the event owner, who really wants to stage that 100% perfect Olympic Games. So how do we shape legacies? How does the IOC shape legacies? There are over, I think, about 50 manuals that explain in detail what the requirements are for mega events in themselves, for the Olympics. So transportation has an own manual that explains exactly what the event owner has to produce. So 100% free flow traffic for athletes. Now that requires certain infrastructure that allow that free flow traffic for that group. This, however, remains as a long-term legacy in cities. Starting with the 2012 bid, London had to respond to the IOC in the bid questionnaire what the legacy would be for the Olympics being staged in London. These legacies then can impact short-term, meaning during the event, how does the society respond, which memories are created. And then again, we move into long-term, which can be how are the venues used, how is the new transportation infrastructure used, what is the human capital legacy of an event, and finally, what are the social legacy of this mega event.